Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I will be presenting to you about mathematical reasoning. My name is Amir Hamzah bin Aminullah from Mat 1 class PISMP June 2023 2028. So let's go. First of all, I would like to share to all of you a little bit about reasoning in mathematics. So, reasoning in mathematics is all about what you're thinking or what you know. You need to apply the knowledge that you gain uh, from classroom or any of uh, any of the resources. You can apply that into your mathematical problem. So, I would like to propose an example question and I will answer it in this video so that all of you can see what is mathematical reasoning. So, the problem is a parabolic arch-shaped bridge is built in Cebu, Sarawak. The arch has a span of 180 meters and maximum height of 50 meters from the ground. Choose a suitable rectangular coordinate system and find the height of the arch at distance of 20, 40, 60 and 80 from the center. For first solution, we will using parabola method and while using polya to this parabolic method. So in polya, we have 4 steps and step number 1 is understand the problem. So the problem is we need to find the height of the arc at distance 20, 40, 60 and 80 from the center. So for second step, we need to devise a plan where we have a very useful diagram here to the diagram will help us to plan and coordinate the actual plan. So if you can see here, the parabola open downwards at the coefficient of y is negative. We can use the standard equation of parabola as below. So for step number 3, we need to carry out the plan. After a very careful brief of the plan, we need to carry out the plan smoothly. So by substitute the value of h and k with the vertex point, we will get a very useful equation, a parabolic equation. So the parabolic equation then we will search for the value of a and we will get 14.5. The value of a is 14.5. Then in the same equation, substitute the a value and we will get the last equation, x to the power of 2 is equal to negative 162 y minus 50. So the question is asking about the distance from the center to 20, 40, 60 and 80. So what we can do here is we need to find the height, which is y in this equation. We can substitute the x value to 20, 40, 60 and 80 so that we can get the height of the arch. And last but not least, step number 4, which is reflexing or look back. So if we can see here, height at 20 meters is 47.53 meters, which is correct. How do we know the height at 20 meters is 47.53? We need to refer back to the graph or to the diagram that we just draw before this. And we will get all the answer. We will check all the answer and all the answer will be correct. We will move to method number 2, which is quadratic form. And we will using polya method in this. quadratic form. So as before this, the first step is to understand the problem. Height of the arc from the ground is 50 meters, length of the arc horizontally is 180 meters, and distance from the center to the arc currently is 90 meters. That means the total distance from center to the um, bank is 90 meters. Step number 2, devise a plan. So as usually, we draw a very useful diagram to retrieve very useful information that we can use to devise the actual plan. So after getting all the information we need to devise a plan, we should know that all the values that we got earlier can be interpreted into a graph. By looking at the graph, we can easily make a plan because it was easier for us to look for any idea when we had a diagram besides. Step number 3 from Polya is carry out the plan. Step number 3 from the Polya is to carry out the plan. So we will, as mentioned before, the first thing that we must do is substitute the suitable coordinates into vortex form. So the vortex form is y equal to a x minus h to the power of 2 plus k. So we insert the h and k with the vertex point, which is 0, 15. Then we insert the any point that we find suitable for the equation. For example, here we can take 90, 0. So 90 on the x and 0 on the y, and we will left with a for the unknown, and we need to search the a value so that we can carry out the plan. We can carry out the equation until we get a full equation, that is y equals to negative 162 x power of 2 plus 50. As usual, the question asks for the distance from center to 20 meters, 40 meters, 60 meters, and 80 meters. So, from the equation that we get before, we can substitute the value and we will get the answer. For example, for the 20 meters from the center, we will get 47.53 for the answer. Step number 4 in Polya is recheck. So, as you can see here, I'm using Desmos or any graphical software that that can easily be found at internet. So if you insert the right equation and substitute the x value with 20, we will get the same answer, that is 47.53. You can also check the answer for other value of x, and the answer will be same as we calculate. So by using the different mathematical structure to answer this one question, we can come to a conclusion that mathematics always has another option. As Polya say, there are various of mathematical formula and theories that not yet to be explored. So hope you all enjoy my video, and that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening my explanation in this video. Hope I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.